Good day, divergence traders. How the hell are we doing today? I hope you're doing good. There was two divergence setups here on the NASDAQ, one from the top and one from the middle. Do you see them? Do you see them before I point them out? Oh, actually, I just told you. I told you where they were. Oh, I'm trying to be funny, eh? Not fucking funny. All right. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this, man. Let's fucking do it. It was a great day for trading. Divergence. Yes, indeed. Divergence. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. We want to stretch that up a little just to, if it was the MACD, it would be even smaller mountains here. That's why I trade the OSMA. OSMA, baby. If you love your mama, you would trade the OSMA. Yeah. I'm kidding with you guys. Okay. Let me finish this right here to right there. You would sell right there. And you would buy. No, another sell. What am I talking about? Well, you'd buy if this plays out up here, if the 5 crosses up over the 7 over here, there could be a buy before the end of the day, all the way back up to a new high up here. You never fucking know. Anyway, we have a high and a higher high, and then we have a crossover and the price closing down below it, and you sell it, and down it fucking goes. 160 points, or ticks, points, whatever you want to call it. Okay? Then we had one doodah along the way. There it is. Even though it closed too far from the 5, you could let it, come down here and take a chance, because this one is very close to the 5, and you could have sold it there. You could have seen from right here, see, that's 930 right there. See, this big candle, first candle down is 930. And if it's that fucking motherfucking big, well, it's telling you it's probably going to go down, which it did go down. So anyway, you could have got in there or there and did a quick little trade in here. And then it did the doodah sidewinder show in here. And I thought this was going to be the setup here, right? From this wick up here. But guess what happened? Down in here on the OSMA, there was no trade to sell yet. There was no hidden divergence to sell because it wasn't set up yet. You needed the mountain here, right here, to go down like this and this like this, so you could enter right there. You see that? You follow? I hope you're all following. I know sometimes it's a little hard to follow if I talk a little bit too quick. I apologize for that. So anyway, if you would have got short right there, yes, you're going back up now. So you would have had a 30-point stop, okay, and it went down 78, like 80 points. You would have got your 1-to-1 no matter what, okay? So because it did such big move today, we're not going to look on the 2-minute. This is the 5-minute we're looking at, eh? See up here? 5-minute. Look at the top of the chart. Yeah, I was doing it on the 5 today. So I never did no trades in here. I did my trade in here, right in here, and it played out just perfectly. And now look, all the people that think, oh, it's going to keep going down, it's going to keep going down, maybe down to here or something, or, well, it filled the gap, I guess you could say, right here. Because it closed, oh no, it closed, yeah. No, this is the opening. No, this is the gap right here. It closed the gap, as they say. I don't trade gaps myself, not in any way possible, okay? I only try to trade divergence and my hookups and hook downs and my higher closes and lower close trades. That's all I try and trade. Okay, so anyway, we had one beautiful trade up here, second beautiful trade, third beautiful trade, and now this one. Look, this one's going right now as I talk. That's the entry to go long right there, motherfucker. Yes, right there. You want to see the divergence though, right? I'll show you. I have no problem showing you. See, I'm showing this to you in real time right here. See how I seen it in real time? I was already talking about, I put the arrow there not long ago telling you it's probably the next setup is to go back up and watch it go to a new fucking high today, but maybe it won't. So there's the setup in real time, but let me just finish it, okay? Okay. We have a low and a higher low. Okay, right here, right here. See how it's pointing up on the OSMA? Because it's based off of lower lows. That means it's going to go up. Let's see when I come back from going to get car parts for my car, that it will go up. Okay, that's all the trade setups on the NASDAQ. Okay, next instrument is the S&P. Same setup up here, same setup. Let's make this a little wider so we can see it properly. Okay, here's our high and higher high, right? And here's what we look for right here. It's going down. See, it's going down. This one's going up. But because it's based off of higher highs, okay, this here is pointing down to be divergent. One's going up, one's going down. And because it's pointing down on the OSMA, it means what, my good fellow trader friends? It means the market is going to push down, and that's exactly what it fucking did. And that's on the 5-minute S&P. Okay? It's the only one we're going to show. There was no higher close here. There's a little evening star. But for sure, it went down. Boom, 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 boom. You know, if you did try to sell it, you know, right here, higher close to come down, well, it didn't really cooperate, right? And would you want to do that after it came down so freaking far? That's the real question. Came down like 35 points. That's more than that, 42 points. It's like a huge move. Would you trust to sell way down here still? You see, these are all the little objectives you gotta look at and decipher and go, well, do I want to try it, or, you know? But we did have one. Hold on. This setup here I'm going to show you would have been your best bet at trying to do it. Okay, it's right here. It's a hook down. So we had a buy fake, and then they pushed it down a little. You would have opened the trade to sell right here. And see, it did not go very far. Only a few points. And then there's another one. Actually, there's another one. There's two of them. Here's another one right here. It's even bigger buy fake and more clear to see. This candle closed up here, buy fake, right? Then they knocked it back down. That's my hook down. And then on the opening or the break of the bottom wick of this previous candle, which is our setup candle, you would have sold it right where price is right now, and it went down like 12, 13 points. So you would have done good on this hook down here. Let me make it bigger, okay? You would have done better on this hook down, as you can see, than this hook down, because it didn't go very far and it went up and created the second hook down, okay? Anyway, there you have it. That is the S and the P. Let's look at the Dow now. What did it fucking do? See, it didn't have. Well, it kind of did. Let's see. Does that line up here? Yeah. Yeah, it lines up. It's divergent, ladies and gentlemen. It's like a little double top there. See that? Double top? Yeah. And you would have got in right over here. And as you can see, it went down. Here's a higher close. Sell it, down it goes. Right there. Okay, and it went down. Here's another higher close, and sell it, and down it goes. Sorry if I'm a little like talking like kind of like an asshole a little bit. I'm just a little jumped up here. I was in a couple of fucking wicked trades here, so my nerves are fucking tingling, and you know what I'm talking about. I don't mean to sound like I'm talking to you like a fucking asshole or anything. I'm not. I'm just. I don't know how to call it. I guess I'm like a bundle jumble nerve fucking box right now. It's like I'm all like, fuck. It's crazy. Trading's crazy. It really gets your adrenaline going, gets your fear going, just plays on your emotions. I was too many fucking contracts in today, and I just happened to fucking do well after. I was short, like I said. I was short from up here, man. But I did a little loser before that, so I was in jumbled nerves there. I was jumbled up. I'm still jumbled up. That's why I'm talking like this and there and that and there and nah. I'm not being an asshole to you. I'm just a little jumbled up. Okay, so here's the Dow, the US 30. Okay. Here's one right here. I wouldn't fucking take it after it came down all that way. Like, it came down hundreds. Like, hold on. Come on there. How many fucking hundreds did it go down? Like 500? Oh, close enough. 400. See what I mean? This is still good to go. This one was definitely the best one to go right here. Okay? But this one right here, I wouldn't do the trade. It came down too far. Too fast. Would you want to sell it way the fuck down here after it came down like 400 from way up here? I don't know. See, and here's another hook down. Would you want to trade it? No. Here's another hook down, and it's working. See, you don't want to fucking sell after it did a huge move like that because you don't know what it's going to do. It's unpredictable. It could bounce back up like it did with this. Look, with the Nasdaq. Look. Bounce right the fuck back up. That's what could happen with you if you're trying to sell. See what I mean? So anyway, back to the Dow. You had four setups: a sell with divergence, double top, and then you had a higher close, sell it, higher close, sell it, higher close, sell it, which is all good. Let's move on now to the fucking pound dollar. Yeah. And of course, it's going to show, this is the 15-minute. Maybe we should look at the 5. Yeah, the 5 is good. Good and bad. Look. Okay. There you go. Higher highs and this, right? To sell, right? And see what happened here? They bought it off the fucking pivot. Fucking back up, made a new high, then they smashed it down. So anyway, if we put a line on here, right there would be the sell, right? 15-minute. What was it telling you? It's telling you not to fucking sell. See the line here? It's still above the 7. The 5 is still above the 7. It's saying do not get suckered into this sell fake. This divergent sell fake right here, ladies and gents. That's what it was telling you. Okay. Then we go to this one. This one's much more telling you that, hey, it could go down, right? This is the news right here. Okay. 9:45. Right? Right. That's the news at 9:45 today, the big fucking ding down. So anyway, if you got short before the news, I don't suggest it, but if you did, because you had divergence, high, higher high, right? And this going down on the OSMA means that it's going to go down. And it fucking did too with the news. Did it ever go down with the news? See? Well, not really a ton, but for the pound, I guess it's a lot. Went down 37 pips. And there's no, well, there's one right here, but I wouldn't trade any of them. Here's a hook down right here. I wouldn't trade it. Here's a higher close right here. I wouldn't trade that either. But if you did, you could have got some out of it if you sold right there. There's a little bit of magic in my 5 and my 7, I tell you. But am I the type of trader who, how would you describe, how would I describe that? There's so many traders who trade like this. What I'm about to say to you, they use the moving averages that, oh, when price comes down to the moving averages and they want to buy there, okay? When price comes up to the moving average, oh, I want to sell. That's the way a lot of traders trade. I don't trade like that. I don't believe that it actually does that in real trading at all. I use the moving averages in a totally different way. As you know, I look for everything to coincide with the higher highs, with the divergence. That's, you know, and then when I use it as a cross down, all my trades are based on the close of a candle, not the open. Okay, never the open, on the close. And you know who I learned that from? Tim Hannigan, may he rest in peace. He said, it's not how he was talking about end of day trading. He would tell me so many times, Jason, he would say, it's not how the market opens that matters. It's how it closes that gives you the near-term direction. He told me that. Like, I traded with him for over 4 years. He was one of my mentors. He told me that hundreds of times. And he was right. He was right. Like, the guy was a broker for over 30 years. He saw it all, man. He saw it all. You know? He was very big into trend lines, drawing trend lines. Yeah. And, of course, what do you call it? The fundamentals on the grains. So he knew the amounts in stock and how it's depleting and whatever. But anyway, I only trade on the close of candles because that's where I find the value. And I hope you find the value there too. And that's why I have these 2 moving averages on here, the 5 and the 7, okay? That's it. Okay, no trades in here. Let's move on. Sorry, something just sparked the brain cell and I had to tell you about it. Okay, let's look at the euro. What did it do? Whoa, look at this. Look at this baton. Woo-wee. Big long wick. Another wick on the other side. And it went fucking nowhere. Well, it went down, I guess. Okay, hold on. So we got higher highs, right? Oh, that's not divergent down there. That's not divergent here. Because this mountain's bigger than this one. It needs to be less than this one. There's no divergence from that up there. Can you fucking believe it on the fucking euro? Look at that. There's no divergence to sell here. No trades. No trades. This is the no trade chart. Pound yen, I know. Here we go. Oh, look at the fucking wicks on that. Double wicks. Oh my God. Here's the trade. Long before the fucking wicks. Just like that. And this one up here. That's hidden divergence, a continuation trade, and sure enough, it did continue. Okay. Would have got you long right in there. And up it goes. This is not good, ladies and gentlemen. What I'm about to show you, I'm sure you see it anyway. The stop loss, okay, is right here. So if you bought, oh, it didn't come back there. What am I talking about? Or did it? Well, you bought here. No, it went all the way up here. You would have took your profit by then. Yeah, you would have had your 1-to-1, even 2-to-1. So if you bought right fucking there, your stop would be at the swing low, 18 pips. Did it go 18 pips? Yeah, it just made it 19.6 pips. Okay, you would have been out of the trade. Never mind where the fucking stop would have been. Doesn't matter. You're already out of that trade. And you had a double wick here. I wouldn't buy it up there. Come on, it came from all the way over here, right? You wouldn't fucking buy it way up there. It's wrong to buy it from up there. And what do we have over here? Nothing. All we have is a higher close right here and sell it, and down it goes. Okay, ladies and gents, that's it for the pound yen. Let's move on to the euro yen. We're almost done. Oh, and the euro yen don't look pretty either. No. Oh, there's divergence here. Hold on. Right here. Believe me, if I was sitting here for longer than 20 seconds when it was over here, I would see the trade. You got to trust me. I see all these trades, even though I'm showing them to you in hindsight because I want you to see the setup. I would know right over here. Okay, we're going down, we're going down. All that I'm waiting for is this right here. I would draw my line. I don't even have to draw them anymore when I'm trading for real. I just look at the chart and I go, yep, boom, boom, there it is. Get in right here long. Okay. Not that I'm bragging or conceited that I don't have to draw lines or I find them in seconds. I'm not bragging. I'm just saying that's how fucking long I've been staring at these charts, looking for the divergence for fucking 12 years. And I've been trading 23 fucking years. 23. Yeah, a long time. Okay, right here. Stop at the swing low. Did it come back to the swing low? No. Went up here, 27 points. What was the stop? 12. You would have got your 1-to-1 or 2-to-1, whatever you want. And then we had higher highs and whatever up here. There's a setup, but would you really want to? Well, I guess you'd want to. Higher highs. Just down like this. And you would have sold it right there at the exact time I sold on the NASDAQ, that is. So anyway, it went down. It was good. It was a good trade. Your stop is right here at the swing high, 20 pips. How far did it go down? 24. You would have got your 1-to-1. See what I mean? Okay, now we're looking at oil on the 5-minute. Oh, look at that big down again. And that beautiful divergence at the fucking top of that big down. Motherfucker! I want it to go up. Fucking keeps going up and then they ram it right back down. Look at all the fucking beautiful trades on oil today. Motherfucker! They're everywhere. Look at this. Oh, if there's any oil traders in the house, you're trading the right shit, brother and sister. You're trading the right shit here. Okay, we got lower lows. Remember I told you about those lower lows? Holy fuck, look at it. Look at it all over town, man. All over the fucking charts. We got long there. And it went up 50 cents on oil to 79.11. You would have got your 1-to-1. Your stop was only 15 and it went up fucking 50. Okay? What do you see up here, my friends? What do you see? Do you see what I see? A star, a star. Delete that motherfucker. It's not cooperating. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Look at that. It's Christmas. Christmas in May. There it is. See that? And all the fucking way down. Boom, 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 boom. All the way down. And we have higher closes too. Come on. Higher close. Sell it in the same place. Here's another one. Higher close. Sell it right there. Another higher close right here. We'll do one more. Okay. Higher close here. And boom, sell here. Now, what's the only thing you can do from way up here? You can only sell. Why can you only sell? Because the 5's below the 7. All the way down. Can you buy here? No. How about here? Can you buy here? No. Here? No. Here? No. Why? Because the 5 is below the 7 all the fucking way down to the bottom. That's why. You got to put trust in these moving averages for that particular reason that I just stated. Not just to buy off of them if price comes to them or sell off of them because price comes up to them. That don't mean shit. And it doesn't work a lot of the time. Well, it can work in here too. I guess you can call it that too. I just thought about it. Higher close, right? Price comes to moving average, sell right there. Boom, down it goes. See? And then right here, price comes up and touches the moving average, sell, boom, down. Yeah, I guess you could look at it that way. Oh, shit. But what I meant is how I would never buy or sell off of the moving averages. I mean, like right here. Like, you know, like, say it comes up and it turns a corner here. And, you know, I don't know how to explain it. But after a big move, you know, buy it, you know, it's coming up to the moving average or something. I don't believe in that. Anyway, let's move on. Okay, now we got to look at oil. No, gold. Gold. We're just looking at oil. Sorry, I'm a little jumbled up still. I'm almost calmed down now. Holy fuck, what a trade today. What a trade. Okay, this is gold. Oh, nothing too fancy on gold. Is that the 15? Yeah, it's the 15. Let's see, what did the 5 give us? Nothing. Some higher close, sell it down, it goes, is right here, see? Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, you had a couple of those, but we didn't have divergence. Let me just put these on for you. Higher close, sell it, right? Goes up and freaks you out. Then it comes down, right? That was a good one. But it wasn't so good because it gave you fucking heat. Lots of heat. Okay, right here, higher close, sell it on the next one. Down it goes here, okay? That's the only two of them I would do. I wouldn't trust it and take a third one here or a fourth one. No, no. Only this one and this one. Oh, no, there's another one there. Anyway, those are the two best trades right there, okay? And it only told you to sell because the 5 was below the 7. You see, when you use this particular part of trading this, it eliminates 50% of, you know, your decision. Oh, what do I do? Do I buy here? Do I sell here? Oh, I think I sell. Why do I sell? Because the 5... this white dashed line is below this pink or purple, whatever fucking color it is. I only put it on there because I can see it. I'm fucking colorblind. But anyway, yeah. It's like it makes a decision for you. Just like up here. Oh, what do I do? What do I do? Do I sell here? No. Do I sell here? No. Do I sell here? No. How about here? No, no. See? It told you to buy only the dips on the way up, not sell. Why? Because the 5 is above the 7, ladies and gents. See? See how it takes away 50% of your decision, what to do and what wrongfully to do. Okay? Don't forget that now. That's really good shit. Okay. Now, that was gold. Let's look at fucking Bitcoin. Oh, pull back on Bitcoin. See? Look up here. What did they sell off of? Resistance. Right up here. Okay, that must mean XRP's really down in the gutter today. Oh, it did go in the gutter. It's coming back up to heaven now. Come on, XRP, baby. Let's go. Let's fucking go. And silver, I bet you it pulled back. They sold off the new highs. Ah, see, look. I never fucking looked at that chart. I never did. I promise you, I'm not lying. I did not look at this chart before just now. And I was right. It sold off the new high. That's funny. Oh, fuck. I'm beginning to sound like the #1 day trader on YouTube. Mr. Patrick, whatever. How did I know that? Oh my God. It's just a simple little line, just a little box. Yeah. No, I'm not cutting him up in a bad way. He's just fucking very like I'm God's trader of the world to the markets. That's his attitude. And he says he's faking it and he says it's a show. I don't believe that. I think he's really just like that. Very arrogant and conceited motherfucker. But anyway, it's not good to talk bad about whatever, but that's what he would say. He said something like that today already. I listen to these fucking, live streamers. Just for fun. Sometimes, some of them make really funny jokes. It's funny. Okay, so there is silver. And then there's gold again. We already looked at that. And then Ethereum. Oh, it's still up there. Big old boner candle still up there. I think it's maybe going to new highs, but I could be wrong. They could take it right up to here to the fucking tick and then blast it right back down again. Anyway, I want to thank you all for coming to watch the show today. It was a good show. I taught you a few good things. So, if you haven't subscribed, please do. I'd appreciate it. And if you'd like to hit the like button, you can do that too. I would like it if you hit the like button. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you're going to trade this afternoon, be careful. It could be really wacko, because of that FOMC shit yesterday, whatever that was all about. I literally seen it go up over 100. It must have been at the peak time or whatever. It went up over 100 in like seconds. Seconds, man. It went up over 100. It was just wicked, brutal, fucking. Oh, they killed some traders yesterday. Now, if you're, I'm going to say something good about a prop firm, okay? If you were trading with a prop firm yesterday and you got fucking banged out of that because you were trading that, that's great that you were trading a prop firm because you only lost whatever it cost you to buy the account, which was what, maybe $50 for some, and like at Apex or whatever, it's only like it's like dollars compared to the amount that they give you. They have it on 90% fucking sale. How could they afford to do that? Because they know you're gonna blow. You're gonna blow up. But anyway, it's good because you only lost a little bit of money. If it was your own money where you would have had thousands in there, you would have lost it. But you should first be smart enough not to trade that. Don't trade the news. How many times are you going to get burned before you learn not to trade the news, right? I learned it a long time ago. I think I did it 2 or 3 times and I said, okay, I can't trade that shit. That's bullshit. They're just fucking killing people. So I just stopped trading. Okay, so anyway, that's a good thing if you're trading prop firms yesterday. Because it was a wicked movement. So if you trade this afternoon, please try and be safe. And we'll see you tomorrow. Good luck. Good trading.